Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Sunday and it's cleaning day, and I'm so lazy, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tidy up a little bit, and I'm not going to the gym because I've been working out all week. I went to the gym 6 times a week, and today I'm feeling like I need to rest to get ready for the next week. And I'm actually excited to show you my week one's body transformation from last Sunday to this Sunday. I have such a sweet tooth, so I'm trying to create things that take my chocolate craving away. So today I'm going to do a nice dessert, and it's going to be kind of like a reward for being good all week. Although last night I cheated, I had crisps while watching movies late night. I'm like, oh my god, but it's just crisps. One meal never had anybody. And well, you must be wondering why I'm wearing a hat. I'm wearing a hat early in the morning because my hair looks crazy. Look at it. So I didn't want you guys to see it, so I put on a hat. And right now I'm about to do my facial, which is going to be avocado. I have an avocado that I've been having in the fridge for a long time, and I mean it's not that much, it's really little, so I'm like, let me just put it on my face. And I preserved it with a bit of lemon juice and olive oil. I'm just going to add a little baking soda so that it can dry out my outbreak. I have like a few pimple outbreaks right here and like all over my face, and I need that to go away because I don't wear makeup to cover stuff up, so I need to like take care of my, plus I want my skin to look vibrant. So let's go on, make my facial. I've put my facial on right now, and I have to let it dry for a while, so I can bring you into that like it's a whole boring process. Right now I'm just going to watch a few movies, well, not movies, probably like YouTube or something like that, and then let it dry out, take a shower, and then bring it back into my kitchen. So guys, this is what my face looks like after the facial, after the mask, after the avocado mask. And you can see that well, the pimples look a little bit more vibrant right now, but overnight I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning and it's going to be good. Right now it's still a little bit fresh from the, probably from the irritation from like rubbing my face, but when I'm done, I mean after today, tomorrow it's going to be okay. So I'm back from doing my facial, and it's time for my special dessert recipe. It's going to be a very banana split sundae, and you're going to find out why I'm saying very banana, because it's full of bananas. So what we're going to do is peel our banana. So we're going to add some little olive oil to the pan, just a little drops. It's not even a teaspoon, maybe it's a teaspoon here, and a little butter. So I heat up the pan, and after I heat it up on high heat, when I was ready to cook the bananas, I took it off, so it's just cooking on the rest of the residual heat left on the pan. And now it's ready. I just needed to give it a little browning, and right now it's ready. So we're just cooking this so it can get a little bit thick and syrupy for the sundae toppings. That's enough. I think you can see. So this is my homemade almond milk. I made it last week. I'm actually going to post a video to show you guys how to make homemade almond milk. Now we're going to make some ice cream. I froze some bananas yesterday, so I have bananas, strawberries and blackberries. Let's do all that. This is frozen almond milk. I didn't want to use ice cubes, so I decided to just freeze the almond milk and use the almond milk itself. Don't have an ice cream scoop. So guys, that was my recipe that I was excited to try out. It didn't turn out so nice in presentation, but the taste was amazing, more than I expected. It tasted so nice, although the ice cream kind of melted on the bananas. I think next time I'll try to use a different approach. I'm going to keep trying until I get the presentation right for you guys, and I will show it to you guys maybe on my Instagram pages or something. For now, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, if you want to see healthier versions of different recipes, just trying out. I'm not like an expert. I just like to try out healthier versions because I'm trying to make myself better. So I'm on Project Comeback, and while I'm doing that, I'm experimenting with a lot of things. And if you guys want to see me experiment, please be sure to subscribe and to see new things. And even if you want to see anything new, please let me know in the comment section down below. For now, we're done, and see you later. See you next time. Bye bye.